Onyina mo fishia pa ebiem afe nko meto ye mfie eso Ebenezer de nyame ede ababedru eni ene eyede toso miensa afofro ya yewuram de na musum da edikan wo afe no emu etene so kakrakra ye kosa out of the 365 days nyame adom ye clock about the 3 day ni yes about 362 ahead ni yakopon aka ade afa ebra ho no ebebem amaye benana pese bi kaka kire no enkitisie ni opese oye no afemu bia no na hyase na eden emfa ho ne ketua ene ne kese hyase some way somehow obi beba abeboa empenisi ochechira ene esoa to se to tim de bia se wentu anamo bia onya boafo tiemfa afi efantu etim se ne pesi ye bia eye possible fatu etim it is possible eye possible bi bia pesi ye no afi we mu bia no it is possible nyame ye boafo e de ama obia bare boafo no ehwe anamotu a yakasa so yetu no mo asoso enyo mo na ebe fiti abrabo na ase de ama yen boafo no de ye se ne yetu anamo de akwakodro no ba be som se somfo no de akwakodro enti wan tu bibi anamo a unya boafo tinam se ne de wakoma so bia peso sha ase afi bia se ye dwuma bi na peso ankasa sha ase ketekete chase kwani aboafo beba no wankasa kora beje onsem application means what twere bebre and fire ban penisi etrente ya ye nyai cheso tokoso one day obi no what application throughout the life odi free mu ya wanyi obi amana friend one day there will be a call yemfa no credit enante ade ba ko a di wiase eni so bedi nokore die de papa ko to da bia baabi e ko hye wa abrabom no se yamfa ntro kakra bi entwetwemu anko ya na eden but in always di nokore die te senyinse kwan ya be faso abegusu aba wo antinenta akro ene be kire ba obawo no one day ebe so abade aba bidi de akwasi insia ye mwakwaba so ajebre na wo hwe bedwam on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 saso na multi TV channel so benya hwe live so saso na HD plus so benya hwe and so holom na patwa hwe live so Facebook Adom TV extra Adom TV extra uko YouTube so Adom TV ja comments ho na etbi eniko na nkomo aba bedi minum nyina ba bedi ebre kwa enima be bi kwa atum na so etimi afre ye be hwe kwa betimi afa so ye be sustain ye relationship say ye empratwe say ye aware say ye business relationship how to sustain maintain and keep going our relationship eno nkomo ne ye ba bedi ne anope wo questions bi apeso bi sa peni amene ba bedi nkume ye company fu a abinim de ewo nipa nkita odie hu a untimi nka enyino emfa emfrem anope wo de futu ewo amaye questions our contribution pia obia no fani na to prepare medbie line atum na so atimi afre a kire wa me ka say culture co toothpaste in your care 360 na aba na eno eboa ma ese no eye dem pa se no se anya dia untimbo namu untimbo dompemu wenam the feeling ma asene nya den se na bia da bia da hoden ebetimi abomo keke ne so ye kwada no edia enkwara nya ne sada bo me ye pa esanse emu ode ti akwara bia nya so ne twene se a da bia de kakra e wonanum ti opeso twene se da bia se ne pa bia ka to so bia twene se emprenda ko bia no wa hwa keke ntu ba betwene se be se empress nya da ko bia ansa na ko akwakoda culture ko toothpaste so ne na bo ma ase ye fita Can't no near the beginning a good body treso near the HS, but and there ye quay name at the beginning of the air toothpaste, toothbrush so the fetchu sesa. A banky cow beer, the first and be a Sunday fitter. Gonna be a your top provision shop biano, or quite some cake for the maybe, and so at me at 24 and Fred 0593 809227 0593 809227 and 0246 865 798 0246 865 798 Kingdom and so any Dr. Mofafi Shapa. Nyako pon shiraw boys nso daase ne waye obi nye bida openia mo fan da Kingdom group of companies ano nyame shiraw pa nyame shiraw on shiraw no shiraw wasefo nyina on shiraw no wasefo nyina nyame nyo kese kopem so be kese pa papa na nim de so na kofa Kingdom garlic bitters na fe Kingdom garlic capsules abadwasom yes say wunya bia eboa ma immune system no ano ye den me se nipadua no ade e wo makuriti ayade no eye immune system de bia no be brase bia ne ade bia ba nipadua ma di usu konim etunya Kingdom garlic bitters and say Kingdom garlic capsules ni nyina ye adwuma ba ko ope capsules ano akoto ope bitters ano akoto ne pe bia betimi ato na wanom afenso eboa se ne be ye nipadua no so no moja betimi di afrisa ne ye pa ewo nipadua emu eboa so tisrade ewo nipadua no eso na abo ye mada bia da hoden aba New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules e me ma ne ede ne be se fa to tim se enye aphrodisiac na ato ya na ne be oba de kwakoda eye aduru ase na wakoto tipa ye aduru ne nya adaji eye nipadua no nyina aduru na eyi haw ne nyina de freo sana New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no etiem eti be ma ne ama mema ye se bompem akofom no na New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ko nipadua no be kokoye eyi haw ne nyina ade freo no se na ye de bia ahode be won ba tibe gira na so ye pa tremendous no so ye ma ne de bua eyi odepu enyina ede afiri wonum we are to nche so de Kingdom Homes enso honum Kingdom Homes enope ba bia da no so matimi adwo ye pa eye Kingdom Homes na ko asem de achena pacho wo pe Kingdom Herbal fo enupan bi atono fo ni ekre Okanshi Drug Lane Kingdom Herbal Center e wo honum sa so na betimi afre 0536 149961 0536 149961 and 0303 939 987 0303 939 987 Kingdom or say no challenger ebra 7 ne Dr. John Boache ebetwe enkomo eba nipa ho kitawodie relationship expert mesi Ghana o kan nipa baako obi no aka ho Doctor Afishapa
Come to ye.
Boko dia bra.
Nyame adom ye ho ye.
Ye de nyame ase. Nyame achira so.
I adom.
I got you say
75.
Wow. 75 years.
What was married for 48 years.
48 years.
Yeah.
And don't never be brace. And you never be brace. The bear say ni nyina na ye Rosie. Ni nyina na ye dedem ko ana se because bonyo de senka ukuma ukona se bonyo wo o free hoto twe azam shapa bi
I think come to ye
48 years.
Yeah.
We are saying
well Michelle Bano University madam for about 2 years na me sure say ono an metimi ma wan nti me national service no afi na ono so kwa start in national service in a warrior ni hwe no radio no TV no fridge no gas just one room
aroba no ba nko Pentecost
that
give you a better order that
but nyame ahye no ho nyam it's been good for us
oh
it's been good our bia problems some and ya na binim nim our bia problems some ni di kan se wo tisa de nase
okay
onko wo different temperament wo different background wo different sexuality oba so ko far on so ni background ko ni temperament ko ni say e dey benya problems
okay
yeah that papa will say marriage is conflict is marriage Until your problem I worry more and just say and yet you only being normal is human. Until you decide any di now how can be to my worry no. It's beautiful. Me I really enjoy my marriage and I will enjoy my marriage. No. Not one day. My regret no. And I will regret it. Catholic.
Okay.
Many of our teachings, a boy. You see that marriage is a covenant. You call before creating. As our way to say cell phone, which means marriage is permanent. And culture, you see, marriage is indissoluble. Until we saw a then the only option is how to make it work. Until we say there no problems, but we see no better to problems now are rebecca.
Okay, yes, shall say and find free hand. A kwaba me share sa aware a me catch them who say Papa mu bonimu minya. According to me anything.
Yes, Nina fi infitiancy and you say a grover da if inti aware no preparation and sa wo e so boaboa ho.
Okay. Oh man.
Yes.
Okay.
Self preparation and now ban self preparation. Now say boaboa ho no culture every discernment. Bompa na busa radi say me wara na because you nipa nyina na say wara. Ye tradition mu de udu ba bi no aware kra ankofo mu but nyankopon hye mu nye nyina na say wara. And now me kan pastor bi aware 23 times. Baptist pastor in America. And I mean so nwie about wara be oba bi so aware 16 times. Enti bompa na bisa say me wara.
Okay.
When who san e so boaboa physically our thing before so our ne kwan wa nti so boa ho redeem physically mentally e so hu go for ba me ho counseling we san said no person ware onim me nam fu nyina ware me ma me se me ware che se ware no ko onim na so hu our no oba any bema an intimate relationship culture there is for life. For the good of the two of you, for children, for society. And so who said, now for who said, Nyankopon, and she said, okay. And so Nyankopon has a plan for marriage. No call Bible 4 times in the marriage, in the Bible, God tells us his plan. 3, you live, be fewer jano now. You cleave and become one flesh. Where you back. So what is say Nyankopon can in Nyankopon pan to kind of 4 times in the Bible. So my one flesh there and the marriage is forever. So nyate sasa no se dia no ko area unko agise me kwa kohwe se be ya na enyi marriage is forever. And they say hu sa ansa no akakoware.
Oh se menya botaye ansa no maware.
Yes. And so boaboa ho you have to prepare yourself financially. Uni adia uni balanda koya was area not or pretty. You have to pay yourself financially and kowa in kaso midimani akọ bibam hoda me ho chin probi amana somu na akọware enye. So prepare yourself physically, financially, mentally, socially. So penny passem. It's that the first thing, prepare yourself. Because your is as good as you prepare yourself.
Okay.
So no ko we good said na one prepare who ya areno and benya lots and lots of problems. Until the first thing you must know it's forever. And I'm a Catholic. We say it's a vocation. Areno unkwanye odia nyankopon dia. Awareno nye odia nyankopon dia. Onyankopon frɛ wo sɛ bramu. Nto kwa aremu a nyankopon pese ye no e na wo ye. Unye what you want. And now here onyankopon e dey now what's the purpose of marriage?
Okay.
Now what companionship before say ho kafo. Into so worry unya kwan ma wo yira and you have no business getting there. The most important purpose of marriage, companionship. Number 2, support. Oba nemebo ha oba betimi aye papa asembema. Into me mo kam ho bomu a na adimu. The Bible says one may be defeated but 2 can defend themselves. Companionship. sex in marriage, you know, sex is a gift from God, but it must be confined to marriage. So the Bible says you live, you cleave, you become one flesh. The one flesh, sex illustrates one flesh. So not until you live and cleave, you know, you are not supposed to do that.
Okay.
And then parenting, more frahwe, more fano nyankopon be mayeno enye dia. Onyankopon. So God makes us a steward. Wako bu nkunta ni onyankopon dia ma no. Jesus come Matthew say, "Uma bofra no yira or the boss or koto poase kra no edi ni ye." Nti mofra no onyankopon dia ma no hwe no. No ntimi nye do the best for your children.
Okay, next say akwada na ba wiase. Ubebu akwada no ho nkunta.
Ache nyankopon.
Because ade anyame de agya.
Yes. Jesus says it's the Matthew.
Even at the point akwada na do ni mpani face what
a parent forever. Once you become a parent is forever.
Wow.
Only the parenting style changes. We are fry no be control. Okay. But when you are no futu na be man.
Okay.
But you are a parent forever. And God will hold you responsible for your children. Untimi ka say umwa de intima to no pa hwi no. You are a parent forever. You are a steward.
Every action of Ubebia.
Pope Francis, tell me a Catholic, make a lot of Catholic. Also, every day, the angels of your children give account to God for what you do for them. Every day, the angels of your children give account. In fact, Jesus can't say, but Pope Francis was paraphrase.
Okay.
Enti, asudie ewo mofrahim parenting. Nyankopon de abofra hye nsa sini otibia so you no betimi bia senia abofra no be useful to himself, to society and to God.
Eja ye wo age bi wo no ma wo duro say age we di so ware.
No, ube warrior. This is what say my can prepare yourself physically, mentally, socially, sexually, financially. No, but there's no age. Obian can say I worry way. But for example, a man will say, almost said the best time I saw a woman is between about 19 to 25.
Okay.
And most women, you advise about worrying them.
Okay.
Because in fact, by age 35, 1/4 of women can't have children again. Yeah.
But so inti man de or say o ma ware e bantem.
So betumi a bantem.
So babu awie pegwa.
In the Bible, man no menstruate ya pe no mo ware.
Okay.
Yeah. But ene obeko school obe say be the lenti normally oba de so betumi dia in your 30s no. It's an
so it means by 35 who ma me sure say so the pressure air to so say o your ba na ye ne warrior onye bone.
No, we don't put pressure. Normally, we put pressure. Cry na asam no say more. The person becomes tensed, no dream, no worry. Enti oba bia person be worry. Enti oba no worry ya. Ne chese bibi wo ho a ontimi ensia no. Enti wo di answer ube encourage no amana bet worry obi e worry o kasa and don't put pressure.
Yeah, member the a free range say age be betimi aware ana.
In fact obi a betimi aware at any age. Obi a mekai story be American be or di 103 or worry obi or di 98. You can marry at any time and my can obi so di 19 or obi or di 6 or so. You can marry at any time.
How do you prepare yourself financially for our year?
Esa utimi nyeska betimi dia aware esikasemo. Bibia be esikasemo be ko high dan be didi be hwe mofra no. Nti make sure say one boabam ho am betimi ayesa na ma no. If you can ntimi hwe wo ho a, you are not ready to marry. You able to take care of yourself. In fact, only in kotubisi make of waro bina wa hwe me. So prepare yourself financially. Okay, tenisa for kwanya wetimi aye dwuma di bia ka ho betimi aton nema betimi ase but ukwaria make sure say betimi ahwe mo. Yes, so our nothing now call my me ho na papa ho akofisika e dia behwe o yira na ukro. That is not right.
Okay. It say fatu tim sika kakra enu ho a aware nya odia.
No, uniska no. you are not ready to marry. It's not about age. So when the 40 krona on his car or one, you are not ready to marry.
Sika in a sense, one casabit me a show.
Yes. Normally, uncamno, me book me 10-10-80 ratio.
Okay.
So with me, scarbin, with me, about 80%. Now we see about 10%. Now the 10% and so. Chunk of bon for money. They say, only scar or the show, only scar the Kohan Dia. We are not ready to marry. Or we are not going to trauma, I mean, and now Papa so I did about quantities so be. Oh,
that's an escafono.
No, it's wrong.
I've
had so many cases.
Yeah.
My Kofubo on the parents of Metro, 11-bedroom house. Oh, and qua, but Arabia was. A fast in
okay.
Into our Arabia here space a grow. Uko trap upon my so they will control you. Nema with me a year officer in your no, Upapa no. For example, when we are younger or Bema, all minds of the whole panties.
Yeah.
But Kawari if you now Upapa and say, oh, your panties. It's a big issue.
Okay.
And that's what the Bible says you must live. Live means physically, mentally, your own warrior. Who should be the most important person in your life. Because you're one flesh with you. So, Kawari, must there be. I have so many cases, media, no. Who warrior, who is the number one person in your life. And that's what the Bible says. You have become one flesh. And who here, so prepare.
Mentally, how do you prepare yourself for warrior?
Feel good about yourself. Your mind, your mind is the most important weapon. If you say you're good at, your marriage will be good. No, because I remember Quebec, Papa Mania, Nipa Bonnie, and I made a member in a bit of your sergeant.
Okay.
And member the fire home, so Bemania Simian, but feel say you are good. Feel say member, feel say our rare. No, yes, sir. Then you see good things and you do good things.
And it makes me a dream.
Yes, your mind is the most important weapon. Okay, say me our rare year, our rare me coin be year. That is the start.
Maybe be a and repainting a boss wedging about.
Yeah, but and
Maybe say me casa has natural more. May come because of being near a similar
no. Every situation is different. And Cassa, me confirm where me saying and to my as how they are only a bedding. Case be a minion get up a sour and mammy said Debbie out there because the mammy sister a car will be fee. Baby up a panific crum and I mean, a car be 9 years and chess of our soon ye. Obia uncle, Arabia uncle. Inti bo catch on said me our rear me call me our pa. That's the first basic steps. Because almost as the man taking himself, so he is. Ukaso our rear or papa.
Kwame den fason hwe yire no.
Akwani yire.
Yen fason hwe yire no.
Mo hwe.
Yeah.
And you play your roles. The Bible is very clear on the roles of the man. O man you are the leader. Now leadership who here pa before say audition and kwa akwa dwane. Before say fish be pra infinity. And Professor Biano Jimpo Fiho. Because leadership is cause. Everything else is effect. In so our really be any jambe man problem bia clients bam I'm very hard on the man because you are the leader. The marriage you go where you direct it. Until you are the leader. First be a good role model. Ma we didn't show so why I say no sunyebi. And then pejuma protect your wife. And more beyond kasa onim basa and cherry abonte so really ya de na kra defend her. But to kofia no tunofo. But you should always defend your wife. And then have a mission for your marriage.
Okay.
Me clients about me think mo worry 3 years time ese mutimi to asase acha 10 years time ese mutimi etuko tram fie and make mutual decisions. Mo warrior, bibia person we no, and no we so ho. Ghana for be over body, and Yansa Ben with him. Yankopa, Mama, Yansa Pa, they have the powers of intuition. Inti bia person we bia, and no we didn't trance na monka. We cast some chewa tieno, because many times God speaks to us through our wives. And then, of course, you are the leader. Inti nyame somno, Saint Augustine, or see, fathers, you are the bishops. Some would di nyame somno nim. So that's the first rule as a head. Okay. The second thing is you must love your wife as Christ loved the church. Let them feel good. Be kind. Be sympathetic.
But pressure. What's the pressure?
Oh, again, what do you need? What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? Oh, we say TF. Oh, what I did. We're journey on my head. Emma, for women, the little things are the big things. In the marketing, show affection. Be kind with your wife. Be patient. Emma, to be on no, you come baby. Go 2 o'clock. What's here? If you know, a mirror move. That's a woman for you. Be patient. And the third one is honor your wife. Bible say, Odoba, Yankopo so doba na ma. Dinini. Hweno so. One hweno so. One nini. Ubompa on tie da. 1 Peter 3:7. Hello. Onyankopo so doba na ma. Dono. Bono ho ban dinini. One yesa ubompa on tie.
Dinini as
respect.
Okay.
Enti emema no ebi odwuma mu nkoye usika sam nye o yare o padwuma e bibia nye ye bisa ho so ba no Nyankopon de ne maame no me hwe no me dinini me hwahwa no enye sa de empire bo nyina ho hia because Nyankopon so
enti bi na enti na ma betia se de enti apo ka se be ya nka mo nye se me aware nye.
No, aware is the most difficult work in the world. Adwuma e di owiase nyina aware. Why? Because obanko obemanko makabum for life. And now we TV this next year wait me acquire businessman, next year wait me acquire this, but marriage is for life. And the most difficult work in the world.
At what point they met me a catch us afraid baby and meduma worry mean to me.
So a Christian there at no point.
Are they?
It's forever.
Are they?
Bible say our Bible, God says I hate divorce. Ye kwa ubetimia as separate. The Bible allows separation. 1 Corinthians 7:10. Ubetimia tio but untimi mfihon ko wari obi for opawari so samba okun. That's what the Bible says.
It ubetimia separate but me worry.
Yes, you can do that. Ubetimia separate but untimi ko wari obi for. So opawari there you have to go back to your spouse.
Baby anyu baby beju.
Eh?
Baby anyu baby beju.
No. Wario ya na di kan yen kwan Onyankopon dia.
Okay.
Aware Onyankopon dia. E na Onyankopon de emra to ho. So the only way for you to have a good marriage is to know what God says about your marriage and do what God says you must do.
Warrior na metia se ne be man de bia wo brome
separate. But untimi ko ware ba bibio. Marriage is forever. The bia me catch me clients. And it has physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual harm. One psychologist see divorce is like a major surgery without anesthesia. Can you imagine that? And today, research shows that 95% of Jawarena they regret it. Because why? They live based on emotions, but not on logic. You can't go fast psychic, mahutimejan aware. To jai arena massage na befa. So they live marriage based on emotions. Ni bu of wajaware but ni bu funu kofom a o say dey na me. Te ga na am say be jaware mo san ware.
The Bible no so ka say ye ni ya ware no ni. Eti be ma akofa psychic ayede.
Yes, wrong. But don't leave the marriage because you can't akofa. No. And me can ware na wa. Because our na wa no. You are going to be responsible for your share. Okay. No. Okay. We are all accountable for our actions. nti se ukunu hwew na betimi ahwe ho a go on inya aware because mikro ukunu ma chop on it now is card be no dwanama why not do it because no baby abebu ho akonta
eje bia dipa na do baby a aware na fono no
and me can aware say we do baby self no because uko ware
dipa ho fono
yes uko ware say we aware make is forever me class that's the first thing I tell them. It's a call nyankopon from say brabesom no and it's forever. Enti problem is the problems are a test of our faith. Eba eso gnade na mo so no then whenever you have problems and you handle it well your marriage gets better.
Ebrebe na o se menya issues o ma ware mu a me ma me se no mbabusuafo.
No, at no time. Asemba you are the two best people on become asem.
Okay.
Because muna mote problem na sisi no bia but mu ya na nye ya go and see a trained marriage counselor. Me asem bia become bia mahunda. Minim se na meboa. O ka kire maame a obe emotional obekodi afa ebe se makama asem na kura awie no no mumu no mdomo na na papa we ya say papa enti makama asem wie amanfo nyina hu mukura mumu. Enti for us and now mommy papa ba only trained to handle such situation. Most of the time they give bad advice.
Okay.
Whatever because or tantan I had that crow kruma or microman 40 the other day jan so be ono kra ni kro emaniska so no dwane man. Enti problems in the beba all the time. Eba mon transam beka mo kan nye ya mo trained marriage counselor.
So the baby a okire kwani mama tia se ye boy ya adwen pose ye be ware a yenya the basis no ye.
Yes.
Yes. Marriage counselor ni enti ni e kum eye.
Yes. Because me the first day I told myself I will do all that I can to enjoy my marriage.
Because ye mu bebre enti aware na se yo.
And you see and psychologists just say it takes one committed partner.
Okay.
To make a marriage work. O catch on say e kwen bia me fa so a ma wen be ye meye. You put the focus on yourself. So we are the papa, who couldn't mean at the bonny, no. Most of the time, people oshania all yen and on so I be. Tibia, we are the papa, it be a name of your crying yet with a coso, baby, baby, no. Be into Shenia, Ukra now within here, we nipa. Obe fumo be bibia hwe ka kire so nyanko pon na from se me mesom no enti se na mikro na me ye bia mekoso na masom
eja vow na ye make you asure dem na afiefim no ya ye tie ase
ye enti be enti ase enti o one case bi me nyan that no worry that no mu ja worry no mu ko ye me ko say vows ye na Omoko reception, papa so catch or can send be chair mamma ya after reception of park here, 5 years in the moon view. So Tiba Nasia, oh yes, sir. And now marriage counseling is very, very, very important. Kosuka, a best church all the basis. The most important thing they see who say, Ariano and Yawodia. Unyanko Pondia, and what froze a bramu, and or dim rat to home. Into quite the Yankopon say no, and a ye. So why yen Yankopon say no, we car moi, one fair moi, qualification moi. No, the only thing that can save your marriage is know what God says about your marriage and doing what God says you must do. No, there's no place in the Bible a man or a jayeba. Me call Krobisuna Bishop no me argument. There's no place in the Bible. Luke 16:18. Or whoever lives.
Naja warrior na Bible no kwadia.
Onyankopon na shisha warrior no. Onyankopon na ball. You can never have a marriage outside God's plan.
Eh. Wonso nyina mini ye.
Tena me kana. First so we say unkwan nya odia.
Bo mo nyina mini ne.
Unyame didi I know you can cause say super su warrior. E mo jai but in the eyes of God, no. So now we need to Dubai cry. Onyankopon say ma worry.
Okay.
That's why Jesus said, whoever lives a marriage has committed adultery.
It
is not a reason for divorce. For a Christian, no. Yeah, it's not right or anything yet. But for the Christian, there's nothing in the Bible. I hate divorce. So, separation, fine. But untimi nkoware obi fufuro. Say na make onyanko dey say aware or the mrato. So every time you have to go to the word of God. It is who he said many people going to marriage they go or kopesika or who oba party ase ni hu ene fe ebi ko hu bi anajo no otimi ne nda ge na nyam no aware no, so they are total strangers and they go in all kinds of problems. Preparation is extremely important.
How many years no some new obitina stand ya catch no say afede bra so say be ware?
Well, you see, we shall become friends.
Okay.
And then as the friendship deepens, you do what we call courtship.
Okay.
Now courtship, normally, I say it should be between 6 months and 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Courtship. If it is too shorter, you may not have enough time on okay. And if it is too longer, it to be stale. I know Bejo. The other day I was doing a radio program. Girl before me, they have been courting for 7 years. 7 years. 7 years courtship is too much. Until normally people advise that, and it depends on how well you have gotten to know each other.
Okay.
We were court for 2 years, but which means more than 2 years there. It's not about the length of time,
okay,
but the quality of the time you are putting as much so that you can able say papa way and I memory meet him abobra for the rest of my life.
Okay.
It's a very important question. Can I stay with this person for the rest of my life?
It will be a friend marriage material. When we saw a counselor here, dear, what did that?
Yeah.
And yeah, yeah.
People become SMP. There's not like marriage material. Obia on your ope.
Okay.
Inti answer be worry no. First, list down what you want. People be meant to bet me and for. People be bet me and she say me prime boom. People be met me and say list the qualities you want.
Okay.
Because one list here, if you don't know what you want, you take anything you meet.
Okay.
That's what happens. In two lists, that's the way should be no on can list that's what you can say on your material.
Okay. No say or say you need be a generic say.
No.
It's soon bad way to be done and just say or you be met me
no. No, that's not.
But to one kasa.
You know what? Yes. This is what I want.
Our radio.
It's the most difficult work in the world. But people say it's the only war where the two enemies sleep on the same bed. So you can imagine what it is. It's the most difficult work in the world. Yeah.
Wow.
But it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It has amazing benefits. One can see marriage is the closest thing to heaven on earth. They live longer, they are happier, they have more wealth. They tend to be better, they tend to have better outcomes. And good our society problem say now society say globally 60% of all marriages break down. People live for anything that you can. 60% of all marriages break down. 20% of marriages are lifeless. Someone worry, someone worry. Sorry, feel than them. And they say, worry now. You have only 20% chance. 20% chance
to survive.
Yes. So you want to ask, I don't know.
Too risky.
Yes. To say our area is very risky. Business now only 20%.
Yeah.
Way.
Oh yes. And I think anything a man could be calling for senka. Yenye contract marriage.
No, Christian is not contract marriage. But you see, in America, for example, 85% of partners stay together. And so I'm worried. But that is not God's plan for marriage. If you're a Christian, that is not God's plan. That the ultra, a big quality movie, and it's Ghana also, but man said do better 30%. America is 85%.
We are the Boban Connie Fibo, but discover. But I shall not get myself. But I said 60% of our ego, we are said, yeah. Then and not the best microphone crying same quawari more.
Yeah, but it depends. It's 90% crying ego. Now, walk as me, no worry, I'll make sure that my marriage works. It will work. It is not about statistics, about your determination.
The trend of
because
the
our me our way make 60% no minimum say me nka that. If you have that mentality now go in or be
you should say maybe we are trend.
Oh, it's serious. One sociology class say yan hwe ya in about 100 years time no amare kura ni wiase bio cohabitation.
Obedanako.
That won't put if back on so nya no ho ade. Na bia obi kura say we go back to the amazing culture no. Everybody nyina tibia nkra ne men nyina nti nsam na twice na yema kohye baabi no ma san kom fie je se yan hwe ya aware na ekono edi
ejebende
eti esemu hu onyankopon hisha odima aware. So we have to lots and lots of teachings on marriage, especially the churches. Our rain be brave was so now me to say Lord because our rain go asoro mu no e say our rain go outside because or tell or sorry but only our rain be bia in the church you have to do lots and lots of teachings on marriage because when you have good marriages you have good societies. The marriages are the building blocks of the society. You chama already gusi ni egu ya bibia benya problem or society. I'm Robert CH only have 16 17 mama we onim papa we onim. So if you allow marriages to break down, you all pay for it.
Asoro rule.
Yes. Asoro, like I'm a Catholic and once in a while we devote one Sunday to do teachings on marriage.
Okay. And
so gradually people are so ignorant. It's for lack of knowledge. It is our original. I say lots and lots of teaching on marriage. Then you know what to handle the marriage.
You can now go our jaya effect will man so no eso.
Eso pa.
O man one to be bet me to
lot of teachings on marriage. Yen support to marriages. Minima America, I think for a couple and other places they give you allowances and babisa. But no say back. You see, the country can never grow well if you don't build strong marriages and families because they are the building blocks of the society. But you are not doing anything. But now many of the radio stations and papers arrive for lots of papers. I go to TV station and radio. I see a lot and lots of teachings on marriage. See, our society no so be a problem. Nti nyina said yes e be boa ama ware a team, family say a team.
That is can be di enim tem dodo.
Yes, money is a big problem even in marriages. In Ghana, marriage is the number one cause of problems in marriage. Okay. Because many couples Ghana onim ne akatia na ire onim ne kronji, they don't plan, they don't budget, and they don't invest. One big society frame say me call kasanche. You see in Ghana only 2% of Ghanaians will live marriages, will live lifestyles same or better when they retire. 2%. 13% will have to work.
Even on retirement?
Yes, to maintain their lifestyle. 75% will get poorer. Investment is extremely important because retirement is umpo beba.
Yeah.
Le bedro na umwabwa ho empe baby abeti emfas cabin to ho a ubetimi dia bo ho a big problem. Now it affects the marriage. And we need to talk more about money. It's extremely important.
Yeah, external families a role we are worrying. How do we control it? Also, we be afraid. Want to be afraid. Who offer be afraid. We better control sad we worrying.
Oh, the control burden. Obi free e mo akakar man fa boan because Ghana extended family system e boan pa their case cry nipa be do in the family no man contribute no the one child of course can we school they expect so be boan nti e mo bia betimi dia boan no to say so why you don't know man kwan is not right.
But also saying terrain now.
Yeah, it's sad. We are shifting towards the family, no? Yes.
Yeah.
But that is dangerous. Chief say Adom, the family is an army. You must financial, moral, this support. A year back, we have our able to, and we have to keep the extended family system. If you break it down, we have a problem. And it's our extended family that gives us identity. Professor Mbiti, or see, to be human is to belong to a family. In this case, an extended family.
Okay.
But my son, we shall want to we say, because the family gives you the identity. So we must build strong family systems. Because we lose our identity as human beings. Until let's support, let's try family reunion. Me koni etako ko kanon kodi ko family this year be can busiansam. We call each other often. But say they are here one had one case could be koya wa ni case in kra onim odene kochia ne mami and they say one akofo na be onim because someone think omuko da. So let's get to know ourselves. Let's build a community because we need the extended family system. To support ourselves.
Oh, okay. Enche mulabre ebeso. Yewe corner boys na kodi kakra e de atumba de ba. Maybe a phone lines no atum na also etimi afre questions contribution bi a obi ano. Wetimi e de baba de na de. You am ho adwire me. You say for better for worse na ka no. Si entia. So nya ente for better for worse no asia. E no beti asia. Se papa mu Bonimuo utim sa utimu ani se utim agenti na man focus mo asofo nso ka ho na ye kuma bebre wa ware ase because the software culture and say you tina wa ware you because women
no also for be en cassette trial say manya so many cases me kun say me nko manko Adechi mabusia for family funu. Uko say I kasa chewa. Leave the home. Go busia for. But untimi nko ware. That's the point.
Okay.
The Bible allows separation. It's very clear in the Bible. But timi are no see.
Na just wo free be man chen ba ko mienu a to kura bedal. Be ma wunya no kura no twafa. No ja no be say afi ba.
Afi de dabi. No, we don't recommend afi. To go be Bacha Bosumi, no, Busian for alcohol. No, any man's son. You see, problems now because of lack of understanding. Identina Ukrono e Kasa. Montras in Amonka.
But can we also understand, say, Nippet me drew baby no Kasa, Simesi one from me. Yeah, because a
lack of knowledge. We remind one flesh into Buffalo.
Oh no, who is out?
That's the thing. So who from who can follow say who from it don't get do things differently. Put some excitement in your marriage. Weekend Marco Sebusian for Marco put some spark in your marriage.
You don't say unyini wo nyamesumu ya wobɛte saa agya ɔba ne sunsun konkora yɔnkofa no but wɔn afe na bi a wɔfifiri sin kakra onyamesom no saa agya ɔba ne sunsun konkora yɔnkofa no wɔn te ase papa ni wɔn hunu nyinaa yɛ me
na entina ɛsɛ oware ɛsɛ ɔkɔ counseling they say virtually all churches so you see in book no your guide to marriage go to counseling go through all the 20 chapters let's say what tia the ball bra be it is all lack of teachings but once you get to understand God's plan for your marriage and you do what God says you must do your marriage should work it will work
ya komula aba medeni akwese ensia ameka say nyame adumu a on the 7th of January a Constitution Day sada no edru won mu a kwese na enyina ye twa ahia ewo Independence Square dwuma de kese bi eba so ahonom mama nyemula emra me ba ba kiro mu eye bedwam nie on Adom TV ye ba ise it's not because so on the 7th of January enyina show international Independence Square ye show Independence Square na yenkoti empenfo abenim de bibremu enkanko emu ebiti se Julius Malema PLO Lamba Dr. Arikana Peter Obi eni mpenfo do beburu bese adwiasa ena etwa ehye ne nimpa bese adwiasa atwa ehye ne nyina edi ye ho enkomo ne nyina fa ebibreban empuntuo ebibiman enkanko ebibiman eyeyo saa mpenfo abomude nyina otati omuso mo ka nyina na ne nyina fa kwan ye betimi afa so ne yetimi ade ho ye pa se ebibiman yesi apam kwasi buro ne fita firi yankase asase so nanso aseburo ne da so eda de bia asetena ewo mu etipenfo ba be ka kire kwan betimi afa so a ye ne ya ban betimi aka bom ne aboa ne age ye man de firi buruni ensem ne yesu etimi ade ye ho ye pa eya kame se yesi obi ada obeneso ye de ye twere abrofo so be share empenfo Julius Malema PLO Lamumba Dr. Arikana Peter Obi ene penfo awodro bebre na etimi fa saa dwumade echeska se 7th of January da kwasiada 7th of January 2024 ya ewo Independence Square wa pay free ticket wetimi akọ www.newafricafoundation.org newafricafoundation.org and after 0532 389 032 0532 389 032 as I see you the nyina yeshia ewo na me catch us say Kingdom Homes and baby abetena wasum ebadwo Kingdom Homes uko ebiri pon so a ekropodum eda fe kama eno pani amufa adaroma Dr. Amufa kwudishe Dr. Amufa na dauromenti ene yesi ato apete sa ne bo so wofo me pa maka chose ne ukọ the estate bo mu a wo ye secure ba bia be fa bia CCTV camera apart from your bedroom ene wadwae ba binya wura compound no de ba bia be fa bia CCTV camera akwan ye nsuo ba nkane ya sort wonom so a tourist site na atwa ho ahia sort wonom a tourist site nko na atwa edwa kasa kwa onya kwa so sa twa sika bi ahwo bi so kwa obo ni akoma isa so ugina wa bro sa so a uhu baby a opania mo fansa no adwuma ere no ye de kra wo sese ubetimi aba betwia between 50 to 70% ere atode akara spread am about 2 years mo amohwem fra bro chem se mo da enforce kan ko ja obi na woni wonanum January yemfese kan so mo obi tie ni ye January yemfese kan so mo obi seje commerce mesi ehu pa ehu jitum ho de menye bi da January bosumi mu eye serious bosumi a ene kitansa bosumi na nam ene so kura na omu abosom besa miensa kwa incident bi srawo so be si dan obeto Japade o Ghana na efie na apese oto a frɛ na boys se wa oti abrochire no tuni pakro kase we na atwa ka oba unyia akwa akohwa amasa ampa adekro na atwa ho kan eni ana adekro na akwa akohwa ho kan eni na sebi nyia nyi sika nkotoma me January abosum de mpatwa ehu frɛ 0536 o abrochire a +233 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 and 0303 939 987. Catch them say akwasinsa na se frɛ na ɔmo fie na ɔmo ɛtɔn no tobi ne dan ɛyɛ japade ɔkyene wo ni hɔ a ɔmani anya ɔmo ya mfra brochire me han dan abra akɔbɔ bra me santini fra brochire betena wakasa fire adwum kɔso koduru ye no ɛyɛ adwumaden na akɔyɛ ye adwumaden bia nso achi ɛwɔ ahome brafie na bɛhome obɛhome a na yɛ kingdom home estate ɔmo fie na ɔso ɔhome sanso ba yɛ de ɛnema papa ɛna asi ɛdan no ɛbra sɛ bɛkɔ akɔyɛ mula numbers a ɛdro na no pay ɛde ama hwɛ ɛba isi yes aba munya akwa ba biem very unfortunate rest ma ba bom ya say anti money wache anope ye efrimo ewo University of Ghana Medical Center ahomache na omiensa ena maame efrimo yama abusua nyina yakɔ yama abusua hyɛden ya te se ehwɛ nim sɛ ɛna awie ɛna esi ɛbɛpɛ no krabea ɛwɔ tamale nkrane amane bo sɛ na ho ɛdodo ne kakra and say of course net but na enhyɛ damfa yie papa ɛna abusua de ne kɔ University of Ghana Medical Center and say na ahomache na omiensa amane bo ba sɛ antimony wache wa cantonment one cry wadane ato mame nyame fa okra ensie na onfa wonsie eyenso yakoso nsoma abusua nyina hyede ne yakɔ ne abai after maybe lines no atu my betwa enkomo no eso 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 and 0302211704 questions yawo contributions yawo for enkomo ya we are starting the year right from your warrior yesikasem yesukukumu so we are starting right from now till next week na situating year na fe yababewura the election proper year to meet me a friend 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 and at 0302211704. And you come and first so you keep a business relationship for 2024.
The first thing is you must have a business plan.
Okay.
And BBA so to me access and nema me won't go for tantamount or can nema or Tony say we say idea would train in fast so he now benya onim. And you say, and near master, as Bibia Tnasi, not so.
Okay. I
do with me, and then as so Tim says, the same name as his son.
Yeah.
For example, so a bookshop, and now we say, is into books view because people are going more into electronics. Internet, so we should be out, and so the environment.
Okay. My for obviously said, I mean, good morning.
Good morning.
If I should pay your voice, can come in, offer free.
Because I'm a free practitioner, bonnet region.
Okay, yet you.
Because already I send this a Badwam Mpensenpensemu.
Okay.
Every day, I don't know, because I could be say reference to Bible say, only Obano meet my separate, but I want to need sign conquer review.
Yeah.
And our Obano sign to me sign conquer review.
Me and Winna.
The Bacho, maybe I worry out, ya would that. Not Obia and a Wasi say. Obia nkono no ni race ntia no no ntino mi ntimi nsan konko ware biom e wo ba bia ade se me san ba be ware ono a
okay
number se me o kire reference e wo Bible mu se aka o kasa no nyina ne kasa na kwai Bible
okay
the person ni nya reference e he fa 14 kana Bible mu se ono ba jaya untimi nsan ko ware biom ade so ono a
okay Martin hello good morning good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm Pachodini is an Afri free.
Because the frame Master, because I speak bomb, Yendi.
Okay, Master, it's you.
Me so me mama fisher pa na no pay.
Afen ko metu nyina.
E de nyame ase o de ya ka asofo na be ba because the traffic that dey be ba. Na ma sem nyina ne se ni di kan no. Na ko asofo no bi so.
Okay.
Nya asofo no nyina asofo no bi so because case this year whereby a me cousin obe ware no. Asofo no wa abusua ne papa na ka abusua asem. Wose kofo de me kwa ni ba for me fubo. Na kofo ya ne ye wo sa extended family no e wo ho a bibia mu na obi ware no papa ya okusoni bia ni mu asorfo no osofo no yire e koye oba ne maame fo no koye oba ne papa e te se koye no mo pulu tu okwa bi na ina busia fo ya bayifo e de koye se busoni bia ware no ko ware busoni bia mu at the end of the day tema ni 2 years na ware no eguye afa na ware no gu no osofo no twene ho osofo no yire twene ho afa ya nsa na be ma na hwehwe abehu oba na busia fo no da so betu mo ni ama me ofo busia o mo se anya bia mba ware no obusoni bi wasi de oba ne se an sofo no yire na ye ni busiani hwan akufa nsem bibi nti message say extended family no mo yam build this extended family na be boa yen ni nya me ne me yire me ma no because me dim case ba ko a papa bi ware sa wo yi na busia eto nchen mra papa ne sokuchi papa no oba ne tam de ne betu na busia ko ba te say yen se bebri
mera sepa good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, I'm Pato Free.
The first one you valley, no what's already.
Yet you.
The doctor says, the nature trying pay a person pa. Now, you could take a crown and say, no, who be sound and say, Oko to a bano, one pass of crana.
Yeah.
Ultimate Jano, or the ultimate Jano.
Yeah.
And say, Matthew chapter 5, 31, 32. This is Christ now considered the master. Now, Oka said, no one can divorce except marital unfaithfulness. Let Jesus Christ not purchase it. But that's it.
What's it Matthew saying?
Matthew chapter 5, 31 to 32 down.
Matthew chapter 5.
31 to the Oka divorce.
Okay, Matthew. You better show us. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Open what is saying?
Mr. Aqua, make a self commercial.
Mr. Aqua, yet you.
Fun. Papa, I can manage program. No, Papa. Let me follow. I just say very good, but the pure hawk one day, men.
Okay.
The host say beside and said, now what to say, oh, here it will be later. No, Sujana, and Papa said. Now, no, actually, my dream says, they are impromote to a promiscuity and find
Okay. Okay. Mate, merase. Na so bika Matthew chapter 5, 31, 32. Or say furthermore, it has been said, whoever divorces his wife, let him give her a certificate of divorce. But I say to you that whoever divorces his wife for any reason except sexual immorality. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Man, but your friend said that free.
That's your friend Davis, make a free time also.
Maybe say it to you.
If I show, like our casa baby, na more problem kakrebi.
Okay.
But my husband and then it's no. I say, what you two of me so by one family tree, one name in come up. The Bibiano, why not just over this year? Then I'm a person me a son.
Okay.
Or better and come here.
Mati.
I said, well, yeah, I'm a boomer boo. I will am a chance here. You see, I'm a ninja, and I'm a moody me after. Can be so concerned with Kaka.
Only no one ba.
If I shall now me answer.
Yes, sir. Okay. To that suit if you want one.
If I try.
Okay, Mate. That's it. Doctor, be you know, Eddie Amount. Mammy, hold on with the course for now. Now, after Doctor, you responded to.
Yeah. No, besides that, verse Bena.
Yes, verse Bena.
1 Corinthians 10:7.
Okay.
1 Corinthians 7:10.
Okay.
Or say, I to the married.
Okay.
I give this command, not I but the Lord.
Okay.
A wife must not separate from a husband.
Okay.
In fact, or say you can live, but you can't go and marry.
Okay.
So that, or say he must not separate.
You can't divorce.
No, you can't divorce.
But I can separate.
Yes, but you must continue with that. From 10 to 11.
Okay.
1 Corinthians 7:11.
1 Corinthians. Pastor Ruby Mejeme. Okay, 1 Corinthians 7:11. But what 7 saying?
11.
7:11. Okay. 1 Corinthians 7:11. But even if she does depart, let her remain unmarried or be reconciled to her husband, and the husband is not to divorce his wife.
Very simple. When Yankopon say our idea person separation. But you can't go and marry another person.
Okay.
You see, sir, Obiko 2, Matthew
5:31.
They don't understand that verse.
Okay.
So original verse, you see the word ponia. Ponia means unfaithfulness before the marriage. Okay. And a beautiful example is that of Joseph and Mary. Who said Joseph, not be worry Mary. Who said Mary him.
Yeah.
It's not so Jano.
Okay.
At that time, they wait me Jano.
Okay.
Uno boho mube worry on him.
Okay.
But when you worry there, you can't.
Okay, that is no so let's say back for example, okay, Matthew 5:32 I was saying, but I say to you that whoever divorces his wife for any reason except sexual immorality causes her to commit adultery, and whoever marries a woman who is divorced commits adultery.
Very simple. Which means you can't remarry.
Which means
no, you can't remarry.
It's the Bible
yeah. And it'll be so childlessness. Uno be anwa and also team for who in Yawara. It's not a cause.
Uno be anwa.
No. Our see so Yankopon a dima, Yankopon a diche. Research shows that 10% of women can never have children.
Okay.
No matter what. Oboha obe hospital on any kunya si bibia anyo so muntimi wo.
Okay.
Enti it is not you can have a happy marriage without children. You can have a bad marriage with children. And children no and yet the focus Yankopon ediche. Onyankopon mo bia fine. Onyankopon mo bia the radiasi and move on because God knows our end from our beginning.
Yeah.
Onyankopon ebi say sankofo me ma enema be sinanya all ma. And I'm also do your best. Go to the hospital. You say, I war a mawarima 40% the cost of the man, 40% the cost of the woman, 20% no mean. But Ghana had the our obano. They put so much pressure. They say, maybe Braham Kofani because hospital or see behind me confirm me krobra me me I'll show you say meet me out kofa girlfriend no me say oba obi and that's what is happening into me sremo mo worry mo hospital meet me acha say oba no na problem ebia or cyst ebia fallopian tubes are blocked ebia eggs the hospital can tell and men man also ebia muni sperms produce sperms and now more low sperm count, and now more defective sperm. The hospital, only the hospital can count. Lemunya heba, a word drone in number minimum just by unya can word more. They are desperate. Into our Munko hospital. Do your best. Go to. They say there are many fertility hospitals.
Or titi or yap about wari.
Transi adentina transina nenka. E memebo ha problem bi ba on pese obeka. Ana why bonny on pese obeka. The woman take the first steps. Oh Kofi. And then and say yes and hamine die. No akro remember the pa kro. Start something. Now oka say on can intimacy in can
Oyena instead go betimi a third party.
Oze.
Oye ni okay na ensi obetimi a mobile from
marriage counselor. Nya offer, nya adamfo. No. Because they are not trained to handle situations like this.
0302211701 0302211702. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay. Etu be subetimi a join na yemfa komano. It's questions bia wo bia wo de bisa. question biya wo biya bisa question biya chire wadwen efa relationship wa ware eho Nana, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa show free.
Me pa to me free tema.
Nana yetio.
Me dey na say me ni obeba na wo for ya wo ba ku. Kwa buchi 23 years. The entire or to say you didn't kasa, yeah, they're fine. But recently na ya ba a o kan ho nya ho for abuchi. Eho. Okoye oni oba foforo na si. Baby a o me rectify no ba ni jumo di me ba den atam keto. Nti we no na che say aware ana say aware.
Mate. Dr. Fatuma. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Lizzie.
Good morning.
Pacho free.
Asante the kwai.
Machiyetio.
Pacho. Matthew chapter 19.
Okay.
Ena Pharisi for no ko bisa Yesu say. Enti nipa wo ho kwan. So we die na Iran.
Okay.
Because na apam dada ni.
Pacho 19 say.
Matthew chapter 19.
Verses.
O kan 3 de kona.
Okay.
Enti ho no ena Pharisi for no. Omokoto to Yesu Kristo ano. Se onipa e wo ho kwan. So we die na Iran.
Okay.
Ena Yesu ka kire wo mo say. First no, na ka anya den. Entisa na afodinti.
Yeah.
Ena san se say no ye den. Ebai. Na sa Matthew chapter 19 ho no mo no okan sa asemu we ti Pharisi for no ko bisa Yesu. Aware ho hyehyɛ no nye nipa nyina na Nyankopɔn de ama wo.
Okay.
Yesu Kristo ba wo mo sorry na mom sisi na nipa na nere ntama ware ase de ni kwa se nke nipa ye de e ware. Na Yesu ka kyerɛ wo mu e wo 11 ho se ene nipa nyina na wo de sa hyehyɛ na ye de ama wo mu.
Okay.
Wo nipa bi wo hɔ a aware no wo de ho hyehyɛ ama wo ma di Kristo na bi na o mu suro Nyankopɔn no mu di Nyankopɔn asɛm so o mu do mbetumi akɔfele saa for me
Mate
ezie mi ana ofrɛ na no wo bisa sɛ ehe na prove wo e wo Bible mu no
okay
papa na o church no erade won hwa o pa o
yes
bi was aso for na kasa san nsɛm we so 1 Corinthians 7:10 ho o si oba enya ni kunu o kunu so nya na ire uja ya nwale biom
mera se ma good morning.
Morning.
Ma bra kuma say fa na free.
Fantastic.
Me pa chetio.
Me pa cho, me den say bema no so one no wo hono ontie wa so like one undi nkomo. One wo nkasa ba ne de na ya bonten. Okoka, one ne koka say e koka ho asema no ka cho say ono like one nyini ndru be bia ba ye nyina say ye nkwala. Memo 24, I don't know so be 26. Okoka so no a young boy no nyini ndru be bia obede said them. And so ni nipa no matka ate ase na mawale na mo aye de ma wo nkwala ba ente. Ntina me said them no wo na mabonten. Ube ba tie be ahmache 3. So de bo krampa be bo fo ade a chere afi na obefi. That de no se e kan wale no ho. Sesa menso like me to me ni ani je ofie ntime me so agyae na me so makotena me fie.
Merase. Me to be for phobia bon fanche. Yes, yes, I paid out for now. 26, 24 years.
Yes.
Also the same thing, Eja.
Ni nyina make up for the lack of knowledge. Asemba mon trust na monka.
It was one simple with Tinasem.
Esa then see American counselor ba mumua.
Okay.
Because obema besa ne obibi but sometimes member no pese omoka. Enti esa otobo asine kakra mo trust na moka.
Dr. Beda say no pay. So aji brebe kan yes. And ebeche enkomo. Dr. John Boache. Na bacho you may so free abroach say ni kunu abroach. Ni ba ko ese so awari.
Awari a wo de wontimi wari. Bible my quite once you marry. Yeah. Oh, worried but won't me worry.
Doctor.
Yeah, so unfortunate but won't me worry. Yeah, sorry.
tino ka se nipa krem no wada di dia. Bi di akwese nsia yakofo ya adwo china.